Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you one of the best khao soi here in Chiang Mai. You guys ready for this? Let's go.
In our opinion, the best khao soi in Chiang Mai is tucked away inside the Old City near the Tha Phae Gate at Nuns restaurant. Getting here means navigating a narrow alleyway, and the tiny shop is easy to miss, but that's part of the cozy charm. Everything is cooked fresh to order, so if you show up during peak hours, just pack a little patient.
Okay, by the window, yeah. Sit over here. Let's see what they have here. There's a warning here that says if you are not into chili, to avoid tom yum and khao soi. That's funny. It's true, right? I really like this spot because they cook on the spot. They don't pre-cook anything. Everything's cooked on the spot. It is on the pricier side, but it's so worth it. So I know what I want. Do you want to try their pineapple fried rice? No. Pad see ew or pad thai?
After browsing through the menu, I picked the classic chicken khao soi, and my girlfriend got the Thai cashew tofu. After ordering, we played the waiting game from the best seats in the house, right by the window. There's not much of a view out in the alley, but it beats sitting deeper inside the restaurant.
Wow, just look at this. We also end up getting mango shake / smoothie. This is between the two of us, okay? There's no way you can drink it all by yourself.
Is it good? It's fresh, right?
Yeah, mango. It's like Filipino mango.
Really?
My turn. Oh yeah, definitely. This has flavors of Philippines. So good, absolutely amazing. Also, recommendation is try their mango here, okay? I highly recommend it. I actually been here once before and we had a great experience. Now we're back at it, but this time I have my main camera. I'll record what I ate and I'll give you my review as I did with my previous post, which you'll see in short form. But the short form is the first time. This is the second time, and higher quality, longer videos, just for those who are interested in wanting to know more about Nuns restaurant. So this is what they give it you before they give you the khao soi. Some lime, some shallot, and chili. So if you want it to be more spicy, you can add this. Tell me how your cashew nuts with chicken taste like. Oh my god, this is not spicy too, it's perfect for you. They cook it direct on the spot, right? That's why it's like fresh. You like it?
Is it good?
They have tofu.
They have tofu? What else do they have?
They have chicken breast.
Chicken?
Vegetable.
Any pineapple?
No,
No.
it's cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts, okay. You recommend it?
I really recommend this.
You recommend it to YouTube community? Yeah?
Yeah, it's very good.
Perfect.
All right, let's try this khao soi, guys. Start off with the broth, okay? Cheers. Wow, oh, it's so good.
For me, the density of that curry and coconut broth is what really makes or breaks a good khao soi. Here, you get a bold, intense wave of flavor, and every spoonful packs a serious kick.
The broth, super concentrated, full of spice, full of coconut and chili, very prominent. Look at the size of the chicken they give you. This is breast chicken. Most other places they give you a whole leg, right? Like a chicken leg with the bones. This one they deboned everything. Basically, it's just chicken breast. Very good. And then the amount of fried cracklings they give you, it's insane. It gives the dish a lot of crunch. Okay, now let's try their noodles. You see that? so tasty. You still get a little bit of the chew. They give you a lot of noodles too. Cheers. I forgot to add some lime and then these shallots. But I'm gonna hold back on the chili because it's already hot as it is. Perfect. I actually tried out several Khao Soi all over Chiang Mai. I gotta say this is the best. Hands down. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. The other ones that I tried weren't as good because the broth itself was too light and it didn't have the kick that I like, and it's more concentrated. And I think it's a lot fresher, and they use quality ingredients like this chicken breast. And they give you a ton of these crispy bits. I would say it is on the higher side, 120 baht. I'll do the conversion over here, but it's worth every penny. Back home, I tried Khao Soi, right? We tried Khao Soi, right? We tried it at Phat Mao, and it was absolutely delicious, but it was 6 or 7 times more expensive than what you pay here. If you do come to Chiang Mai, definitely check out Nuns restaurant. You don't normally eat everything, but clearly you did. Why? It's good, right? So how's your experience? So effing good. You guys don't even know, man. Satisfying my Khao Soi craving, right? The crazy part is, as soon as we sat down, we were one of the first few customers to arrive, right? And then as time went by, more people start coming in. Yeah. Yes, yes. Anyways, if you like this type of video, please click like and subscribe. And we will definitely see you in the next video. Have a good day. Cheers.